Here we go.
Yo. Hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or else Bogdanov will dump on you. Alright. Okay. Hello everyone. Hello Al Negro. Hello Klein. Hello John. Hello Throne Seeker. Alright. Hello Diane. Diana May. Hello Myla. Hello Matthew. Okay. So basic technical analysis you must learn. Okay, what you should learn? Basic technical analysis. Okay, for basic, I would like to teach this important market structure, okay? Accumulation, and then reaccumulation, and then distribution, okay, and then redistribution, and then accumulation again. Okay, and then goes the cycle, okay? Goes the cycle, and then distribution, and then distribution, and then accumulation again. So this is the Wyckoff market cycle, okay? And Wyckoff is one of the 5 giants in technical analysis, okay? They are the one who invented the technical analysis. They are the founders, okay? So, knowing this, we need to be familiarized with this Wyckoff market cycle, okay? Okay. Hello, Ramil. Hello. Nahuli ako. No, not really. Okay. 601 only. Hello, Mood. Hello, Oswaldo Moreno. Good day as well to you. Happy everyone. I hope all is well with everyone, okay? Stay safe always. And let's make some money. Okay, so that is Wyckoff market cycle. And in knowing Wyckoff market cycle, you are entering the mind of the institution. Okay? This is institutional trading. Wow. And if you are going to trade, do not trade against the institution. When I say institution, that's the bank. Okay? That's the bank. Institution. And the bank has a lot of money. Okay? So, the bank has so much money that it is called the market mover, and even they are called smart money. Okay? They are not smart, but because they have huge capital, when they enter, they are bigger than whales. Okay? Whales are 100 BTC above. This one, we are talking about hundreds of millions and even billions, okay, per trade. So whenever they enter trade, it will really push the price up. Okay? So we are in consolidation. When the smart money enters, there will be a huge spike green volume candle, and then the price will go up. Okay? So that's how powerful the smart money is. Okay? And if you are not familiar with them, then you are gonna trade against them, then you will surely get wrecked. Okay? So do not trade against this smart money because you will get wrecked. Okay? Yeah. So do not let yourself get tricked by this institution by trading against them. Okay? Okay. So right now, this is the market. This is Wyckoff market cycle. This is actually already not updated. If you pull out the Wyckoff right now. Okay. The update should look like this one. Okay. This is the distribution, the accumulation. The accumulation again. Okay. And then the accumulation right here. Okay. And then this is the reaccumulation. Okay. And then this is the redistribution. Okay. And the other this is the reaccumulation. And then the distribution. Okay. And then the redistribution. We got hit by here. We got rejected from our distribution phase. Okay. We cannot break. So, accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution. Accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution. Redistribution. And then we are entering again the accumulation phase. Okay. So, based from here, we are in accumulation phase going back. So, we need to really be wise in trading. So, why did this one happen? This is the explanation, okay? Whenever the demand is greater than supply, then the price will go up. Okay? Accumulation phase. That's accumulation phase. Demand. So many buyers. Okay? Everybody is hyping it in YouTube. Oh, Bitcoin is now too cheap. Let us accumulate now. Let us buy now. Okay? Oh, the Bitcoin dump. Let's buy now. So much demand. And nobody is supplying. Why? Because they will not sell in that area. Why are you going to sell in the oversold? That's cheap. That's like negative 50% your price. Are you going to sell when you are in negative 50%? Right? You will not sell when you are negative 50%. What you do is you will buy this. You will buy here. So that's why demand is greater than supply. So much demand without somebody selling. What happens is the price moves to the upside. That's what we call markup. Okay? The gas is so expensive because the demand is high, the supply is low because of the war, and so the price goes up. Okay? Now, distribution phase. Why is it that there is distribution phase? Because supply is greater than demand. Okay. This is already an overbought situation. So much supply, but there is no demand. So much seller here, but no one is buying. What happened when there is so much seller but no buyer? You remember the face shield, right? There are face shield scam. You remember that one? So many seller of face shield and little demand. So what happens with the price of face shield? From 120, it reached to 30. I don't know how much now. I don't know if they are. I think it's only 10 peso. Okay. So the distribution supply is greater than demand. Why? Why did it happen? Because during the accumulation phase, these are the time the institutional money is buying. Okay, they will not buy during any other area. Okay, they want to buy in the accumulation phase. So after here, where are they going to sell it? Are they going to sell it just close here? I don't think so. So they will have a markup, and then once it reaches that price, that is the distribution area. Okay, they will start selling here. So you can see spikes. Okay, look at this one. This candle right here is a power of the seller. Okay, this pump right here and then a massive red candle. This is the institutional money selling. Okay, and still these people, these are the hodlers who bought in the FOMO. So they are still buying out the price, and then the institution keep on selling, and then the retailers keep on buying, and the institution are selling to them. Okay, selling, and then the buyer, retailers keep on buying until there is no power for the retailers, and it drop hard. Okay, so who made money here? The people who bought here in accumulation phase, and here in the accumulation phase, they sell their position here. Okay, so while they are selling and no one is buying, everybody is afraid already. Fear. There comes the greed and fear index. So everybody is afraid. So in fear, they all did not buy. So instead of the institutional money selling, okay, selling to the downside, and then the retailers are pushing the price up. That's why we have a consolidation still. But these retailers gave up. Okay, the retailers gave up. So now the institution left is the one left. So now it's already dumping. Okay, and if you look at that dump right there, that is a 50% drop from here to here. It's 49.95%. So that's almost 50% drop. Okay, that's how huge where this one is. After from buying here, selling here, we find support here because there is another demand area here. So somebody bought back here. That's why we are able to hold this area. Okay, so going back, that's the supply and demand story. Okay, that's why there are oversold and there is also overbought. Okay, so make sure you don't buy just anywhere else. You buy during the, where are you going to buy? During the accumulation phase. Okay, hello. Hello Lara, hello RA, hello Mai, hello Ram, Good to see you. RVL, Ariel, Mia, Mary. Hello, hello. Jeffrey, good to see you here. Okay. So, in picture, this is how it looks like. The institutional buys here in the demand zone. Okay. And whenever you touch the demand zone, you can know that it is a demand zone or accumulation phase, okay? Or here, accumulation phase. Demand zone can be considered its other name is demand zone, okay? So it will pump the price once they enter. Okay, pumps the price and then touches a supply zone. Okay? So supply zone needs to take profit here. Okay? So whenever they pump the price during this area right here, okay? During this area right here, retailers are going to ride here. Okay? Let me put R for retailers. Okay? Retailers buys here. Let me put it here. Smart money, or how should we put initial for the smart money? Institutional money, I. Okay, so the institutional money, the traders, the banks buys here. So when the retailers see, oh, the price is pumping, let's ride now. Okay? So these kind of people are those who FOMO, fear of missing out. So they ride here. They ride here. Okay, this is where they buy their position. While the institutional money place their order here. Okay? So they think that it's gonna go fly high. Okay, then there are even who buys here. In another retailer bought here. Okay? Because it says it's going to 100k. We are just in 69,000. Bitcoin is going to 100k. You get wrecked with that one, right? Right. So, what happens is institutional money will start selling against, listen, against the retailers, okay? Institutional money will make this one, this retailer here to be their food. Okay, you see that fish right here? I can draw fish, right? So, the retailers are the food of the institutional money. Before, there is not much retailer because it is hard to open a retailer account in day trading. You need to register. Even here in the Philippines, to be a retailer, you need to open in COL in the Philippine Stock Exchange. And you can start trading from there. And you're not even trading. You are just huddling, right? You're just buying blue chips company. And right now, since 2020, all the stimulus check, all the money that was given to the people, they put it in the market. They open Robinhood account. They open Binance account. They open any other account. And there is a massive growth in the retailers. So now, the institution has bigger food to eat because the retailers are growing. They are a number of retailers. So the institutional money are happy. The institutional traders are happy because they can eat huge profit from the retailers. So once they start buying here, this is Wojak buying here, and now the institutional money starts selling their position, so it's dropping. It's still a green because they buy the dip. Okay, you know these retailers, they keep buying the dip. They said, oh, it's dropping, so let me buy the dip here. So they buy the dip and then hits again. And they think that it's gonna make a new high. And they said, I should have sold this. I should have sold here. Okay, you remember that line? I should have sold my position here. This should be the area should I sold my position. Now it went down. So I'm gonna buy again here. Because once it touches this position again here, I'm gonna sell now. But the question, did it touch? Did it touch? Did it touch the selling position they want to sell? No. Because it's already the supply zone and the institutional money are selling here. Okay? So much selling pressure. So what happened is drop, base, touching the supply zone and then drop again. So now those who opened here, not only were they did not able to take profit here and they start regretting, I should have taken profit with the 10% profit. Now they are in equal. Okay, now they are in equal price right now. So they say it's okay, it's gonna bounce again. So they buy again the dip here and then it pump, but not enough because there is another institutional supply zone here. So we are forming primary high, lower high, another lower high. Okay? So now it bounces again and then drops. So the retailers here are now in negative position. They are now, let's say, negative 30%. Okay? So they keep on DCAing, or worse, if they are in the leverage, they got liquidated already. Okay? They got liquidated already. Because if you are down 30% and you are in leverage with 100x, then that's 300% negative already. Okay? So basically, those who entered here got wrecked by the institutional traders or the banks. So it touches here and now this is the next supply zone and then drops again and poof, liquidated. Okay, you got liquidated because of your position that you are trading not with the banks but on your own. Okay, you listen to YouTube FOMO people, so you got liquidated. Okay, so is that a good thing? Of course not, right? It's painful to get liquidated, but you will not learn until you get familiarized with the demand zone and the supply zone. So whenever the price is already going up, do not trade it. Okay, you always buy in the demand zone or supply zone. If you are in hurry that you always need a position to open, so you want to open long position, so you ride here long position, you make sure that your liquidation will be below here, the demand zone, so you will not hit your stop loss. Okay, so your stop loss should be right here, so that if you enter here and then it pump and then you were not able to take profit, it drop. Now you are negative. It's okay because you know that you're not going to hit your stop loss, because the institutional money will not allow themselves to lose money. So they will buy back again. So they will buy again and then pumps the price to the upside. Okay, and this time you're here and maybe you have bought back again here, so now you can sell with institutional money here. So you say, oh, I will sell now. Okay, so at least you were not able to take profit in the first time, then you took profit in the second time that it hit the zone. Okay, in the past, let's say in the past weeks, we have been trading the downtrend, right? We have been trading the downtrend. Let me show you the downtrend. 4-hour time frame. We have been trading this one. We made money here. We made money here. We made money here. We made money here, right? So everybody made money. And we also made money here. Okay? But here, we entered here, we were not able to take profit here. Okay, we were not able to take profit here. So what happened? It went up again. And then we waited for it to go down again. Okay? We are always secure because our stop loss, okay, if you remember the signal I gave you, your stop loss is always above because this is the zone. Okay? Whenever you see long wicks, that's the zone right there. You know that it's entering the zone because so much selling pressure. Okay? So with this in mind, I told you we can open short position. We were not able to take profit, but we were able to take profit here. Okay? So yesterday, we waited at least 3 days because we were trying to ride and then drops. And we are waiting. We are like this retail trader here who opened position here, was not able to take profit here. So it waited for the next run to the upside. As long as you are safe, your stop loss is above, you will not get wrecked. Okay? Okay, hello Magic Chess Allen. Hello Ruby, hello Melody, hello Sam. Okay. So with this in mind, you can be sure that you will not get liquidated. At the same time, you will start making money. Okay, so our trade yesterday, we made at least, for me, my personal trade, I made at least 9,964 peso. Okay, like almost 199.9 dollar. Okay, so we were able to made profit of $199. And the previous trade, another 9,000 pesos still. Okay, from our trade here, and then here also 9,000 also. Here we made at least $90. Here I made at least $60. So 90, 60, and then here here 9,000, and then here another 9,000. Okay, so we are making money, and you can know that it's true because you also are making money with our trades. Okay, so those who open short position, we're all happy. Okay, so everybody is making money. Okay, 44%, 60%, 116%. Everybody is making money in our community. Okay, so everybody is waiting and making so much money here. So we have been in profit for a long time now. We don't have any losing trade as of the moment, right? We didn't have a loss trade yet. Maybe this one here, okay? Because I gave you an entry here. I gave you an entry here, right? Remember? Because we think that it's gonna continue here. And I gave you a stop loss just right here in 46. I was not able to give you here. So you got hit your stop loss here this time. Okay? So you got hit here. But me as a day trader, I know how to fix my... When I put a stop loss here and I want to move it here, I know how to do it. So I was able to move my stop loss here. That's why I and wait for it to drop here. Okay? So just fixing. Okay, I was not able to call on you for that because that takes so much capital. Okay, with this one, for me to fix this, I put at least $1,000. Okay, and my trade was just $300. Okay, my trade was just $300, but I need $1,000 to pull up my stop loss or my liquidation. So I will not get liquidated or not hit stop loss. Okay. 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 So that's how it works right here. So the more you stay in our community, the more you learn this one, the more you start making money. Okay. 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 So that's our community right there. Money, money, money. All right. So if you are still just watching us making some money, make sure you start learning and you start making money on your own already. And if you are not confident, you can ride with the signal that I give. Okay. 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 All right. Hello, hello, John Ezekiel. Good to see you here. Okay. So, for those who are in For those who are not yet part of our Telegram community, scan that QR code right there, Trade Scholar. Okay, scan the Trade Scholar. Okay, let me open. Okay. Scan that QR right there. Okay, scan that QR, this one, or you click this Telegram link here and you will be able to join our Telegram and it will redirect you here in our this one. You will be redirected here. Okay? And from here you get some forecasts. Okay, weekly forecast, daily forecast, and you can see also our practical people making money, okay? So right here, you get a forecast, weekly forecast, then 1 day time frame, and then 4-hour time frame, and then 1-hour time frame. That's where we gave you the specific signal. Okay, so if you want specific signal, you message Welcome Trade Scholar or KZ. But usually when you get redirected here, what happens is they will message you right away, okay? Because so many people joining here, 1,642, and they need to message you right away so that you will not miss the opportunity. Okay, hello, Maki Manalang. Good to see you here, okay? Welcome. We are an educational platform. Hello, Christian Pure Guy De Guzman. Thank you for joining us. Hello, B. Zangwin. Ngayon lang nagising. Alright. Hello, Hamid Arevalo. Maybe you just woke up, huh? Because you watched the Bitcoin in the 3 a.m. Did you not sleep? So you have been watching Bitcoin because everybody's excited. So if you want to join the practical group, then you have this instruction right here. This is the community, the 1,500 members, live BTC forecast and live technical analysis. If you want to be part of the practical group, you just need at least $100 to $500 in your Julian account. Okay, so if you are trading in Binance, in Bybit, in other exchanges, right now you will just add this to your exchange. Okay, the good thing with Julian is it is no KYC. Okay, so you are secure there, no personal details provided there. Okay, so anonymous trading. All right. Okay, so you just daily BTC forecast, live technical analysis, daily signal, beginner course. We have Zoom classes, learning video. Okay, and this is the community right here. Okay, right here. Okay, so this is our community right here. Live BTC forecast, daily TN. You can see that they're all learning. And then I say there's also, we give you material also. I also instruct them starting with, okay, I told them here. Okay, I told them I took profit at 42,300. Okay, I made 9,949 peso from $800 trade. So I told them bawi na grocery kahapon. Right, so that's a good thing with a day trader's life. You spend something. We spent at least a 6,000 yesterday for grocery. So we made 9,000. Oh, I still have 3K left, right? Alright, so that's a day trader's life right there. Congrats to all who took profit. And then I told them I use pyramid trading strategy for entry, starting with at least $20, $50. And then once the direction is confirmed to our direction, and I just keep adding to my position until I reach the $800. So that's why I trade the $800. This is 40,000 trade. Okay, and in my futures, I put at least 72,000 peso. Okay, for trading so that my stop loss is still far. Okay, we'll teach this soon to everyone in Zoom class. And I said, if you are part of the community, if you are part in our practical group, I will be teaching you this kind of strategy. That you will not be afraid to put huge amount of money in your trade because you know that you're not gonna hit your stop loss or even your liquidation. Okay? So that's the strategy. Making money in the futures, because trading in futures is another story. Okay? It's a different way of trading. Okay? So here is Y Zangwin. In YouTube, he is B Zangwin, but here is Y Zangwin, huh? Maybe in Facebook. What are you in Facebook? Zangwin. Alright. So, looking forward to see you here in our practical group. And if you want to join our exclusive, once you grow your account from $100 to $500, then you can be able to join our exclusive, and you can get daily signals and also exclusive signal. This one is with our Sir Ian. Okay, Sir Ian is also may promotion ako palagi. Yeah, you're always shout out, right? Alright, exclusive signals. Okay, so this is our Trade Scholar exclusive. We have 18 members here. And we are not only checking Bitcoin here, okay? So we check so many coins here. And everybody making money also. The more capital you have, the more trading you can do, okay? Alright. That's the good thing right there. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Okay. So that's our promotion for our community. Make sure you join us. Okay, so that you can start making money online also. Okay? Do not stop learning. Do not listen that after you finish your study at school, then you don't have to study anymore outside school. No. Most of the successful people, they study it on their own. Okay? They find mentor, they find people to teach them, not from school, but they are learning it. Okay? Alright. So some news right now. Let's check some news, okay? Because there are interesting news for our crypto space. Okay. Here, Robert Kiyosaki warns rising inflation will wipe out 50% of US population. Imagine. It can wipe out US population. So Robert Kiyosaki, you know him. He is from the Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Okay, so when I read this article, oh, this is interesting. Okay. Some analysts feel that the dollar and markets are on the verge of collapse due to rising food, oil, energy prices, as well as widespread inflation. Speaking with Daniela Cambone from Stansberry Research, businessman and author of The Personal Finance Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki warned that inflation is a sign of a major crisis that is only going to get worse, and the repo market has inverted again, indicating that a recession is on the horizon. Oh my, recession. He said, as we all know, America produces nothing anymore. Take note of that. America produces nothing anymore. We produce bubbles, you know? Yeah. So the market, even though we have pandemic, but the market was going up. Right? So doesn't seems like to go with the economy. Economy is down and yet the market is going up because of the stimulus check, the money, the free money that was given. They are all put in the market because everybody wants to make money in the market. So we just blow air bubbles. So we now have this bubble in real estate, stocks, and bonds. Then when Biden took the Keystone Pipeline, XL Pipeline off, that just wiped us out here. Okay? He added, inflation goes up and the average American doesn't have a $1,000. 40% of Americans don't have $1,000. Imagine. 40% of Americans don't have $1,000. So I'm in the Philippines, but we have this one. So when inflation goes up, we're going to wipe out 50% of the US population. And that is when revolution starts. Okay? So this is really scary right now because also the Middle East, they are starting to avoid US dollar to buy oil. Okay? Whenever the oil is removed from the dollar, then dollar will have no value anymore. The dollar is strong because the oil is being used by globally and everybody buys oil using dollar. That's their partnership with the kings, okay? The previous presidents in United States made partnership with the kings in this in the oil mining in the Middle East. And they said, you let the people buy oil using our dollar and we will send you troops. We will protect you. Okay, that's the exchange. So because of that, people are changing their money to dollar. That boosts the dollar. Okay, and now they are trying to go away from dollar oil exchange. That would be problem, okay? America is powerful because they buy oil and they can print dollar anytime. And the oil is in dollar. They are powerful, right? So we don't know what will happen next. And this statement from Robert Kiyosaki is interesting, okay? I haven't dig yet deeper about this dollar and oil, but it seems like this is an interesting topic also. Okay? Okay. So this is Robert. Okay, Polygon price analysis, Matic to face resistance at 1.54. Okay? As the price recovers to 1.45. Matic recovers to 1.45 after a continuous downslide. The one-day Polygon price analysis going in the bullish direction again after a severe downturn. The price has recovered to 1.45 today as bulls took charge of the price function at the start of today's trading session. However, the crypto pair is still reporting a loss in value amounting to 4.55% over the past 24 hours. And as the trend remained bearish for most of the time in the past week, the coin also reports a loss of 15.17% over the past week. Okay. So this is Matic. Okay, it's downtrend right now. Citigroup executive 100 million for crypto hedge fund. Wow. This is Citibank, right? Citigroup. That's interesting. They are going to include crypto. 3 former Citigroup Incorporated executives have left the Wall Street Bank to form Motus Capital Management, a company aiming to make it easier for high net worth individuals to invest in cryptocurrency. Wow! So if you have capital, you can invest to this executive who formed their own hedge fund for crypto. Wow, 100 million capital. They can start trading now. All right. The good thing, if you stay with us and you build that 10,000 hours, 10,000 hours, and you become professional in day trading, I tell you, banks will look for you because they will hire you to be their day trader. For now, they are not that welcoming for crypto, but once they welcome crypto in the bank for trading, and you are already positioned, you have positioned yourself already in trading in crypto, and you have already the skills, I tell you, you will be a trader of the bank. Okay, and you can make 25% from every trade that you make in the whole month. Imagine the banks will give you millions of dollars to trade and you get 25% from it. So develop this skill because this will help you, okay, in becoming financially stable. Okay, they left even Wall Street, right? So they have big view in crypto hedge funds. Wow, this is interesting. Okay, all right. Yeah, that's great. That 10,000 hours, you spend it in learning and joining our Zoom class and all. I tell you, you will be professional and you will start making so much money that you have no more room to contain it. Okay? All right. So now let's go to our Bitcoin. How are we going to trade Bitcoin right now? Let's look at the weekly time frame. Okay, weekly time frame. We just touched right here 42,000. Okay. Let me hide this one. This is our signal, okay? Let me hide the retracement. Okay. Let's check the weekly time frame right now. As you can see in our weekly time frame, we are finding support here in 42,439, okay? 42,461. This is the bottom of the double bottom. This is the breakout of the double bottom. Okay, look at this one. That one right there. And then breaks out and then retest of the zone. So that's what we are looking at right now. So if we hold this area, okay, listen, if we hold this area, we don't drop below here. We hold this, we have a high volume node. So this is a strong support area here. We can know only the direction maybe on Monday or unless it moves today or tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. But you don't usually see any massive movement during weekend, okay? But there is always exception, right? So if it doesn't move and it holds here, then the next candle will be bouncing from here. Then what happened was base, drop, a base, rally, and then touching the base and then rally again. Okay, let me show you the picture. It looks like this one. Rally, base, rally. Here. The base right here. And then we have a rally. And now this is the institutional zone of the demand. And then touches the demand zone. And we are currently waiting here. This is the breakout area, okay? So we are now in the breakout area. The same, but we are in the breakout area here. Okay, this is the breakout area. We are staying here. So most probably, if we hold this and we don't break the demand zone, then drops even harder, then we have a chance to bounce here and make another higher high. Okay, that's possibility. Okay, that's lesser probability though because the stock market is dropping. Okay, the stock market, the DXY is pumping. So whenever DXY is pumping, you know that's not good for Bitcoin. If the dollar is going up, everything will go down, especially Bitcoin, okay? Dow Jones is dropping. S&P 500 is finding support. So this is crucial also because if S&P 500 index will find support here, that would mean we can start bouncing again to the upside. This is a strong support here. This is a high volume node here in VPVR. Okay? And we have here the 233 EMA and the 144 EMA. So if we are bouncing here, then we can expect Bitcoin will also bounce here. Okay? Bitcoin will also bounce once S&P bounce. And the Russell 2000 is also dropping. Okay? It's not moving now because it's weekend. Okay? The stock market is closed during weekend. Okay? Alright. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Ruby. Yo, El Negro, Mala, yes sir. Thank you for joining us today. US 2000, Russell 2000 is below also. Okay, these EMAs. So basically, we need to hold this line if we want to see a bullish trend. Okay? If we don't hold this line right here, then you say goodbye already to the bull run. We're gonna go back to the bearish area. Okay, let me draw this box. Let me change the color. So we know that we are in that color right there. Alright. So, that's weekly time frame for you. Actually, in weekly time frame, we are still in a healthy uptrend, okay? Because we are forming 3 green volume. So that means we are a change of trend to the upside. So looking forward that we will not print a red volume, okay? But we will continue the green volume. So that would mean we'll be able to change direction from the negative in awesome oscillator to the positive, okay? So that's our direction right there. Okay, weekly time frame, we got a rejection here. We got a rejection. So we gonna... I don't think we can break this one here. With us getting power here, this is not a strong demand zone. This is just a resistance. This is just a base. So this is not the major base, okay? The major base is right here. The demand zone, the major demand zone where we have bounce 1, 2, 3. If we want a strong bounce, we need to retest it again. Strong bounce so we can go up. So we need to touch this again to get more position from the institutional money. Okay? So that's why we gave you still a bearish position because this is weak. I don't think this will hold. Okay? So we might continue dropping, even reach up to this one here. Okay? Okay, let's check daily time frame now. Hello, RA. Yes, sir. So in 1 day time frame, we are in the low volume node in 1 day time frame. The high volume node is in 39,256. This is where we can start finding a strong support. And as you can notice, where the pump started here, went up, and now it's going back where it began. Okay? So after that one, we might see another drop here. Okay? We don't know. But we need to touch the zone for us to pump harder. Okay? Like this one. It needs to touch the demand zone so it can break here. It needs to touch the main demand zone so it can pump to the upside and break the supply zone. Okay? So we need to break and we need to touch the demand zone. 1, 2, 3, 4 touch of the demand zone, and then we are able to break now to the upside. I don't know how many times we have touched already the demand zone. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. If this is the demand zone right here, we only touch twice. Okay, if this is the only 2 touch, so not huge touch yet. This one is a higher demand zone. Okay. Anyway, so that's daily time frame for you. 4-hour time frame. Okay, in 4-hour time frame, as you can see, our entry is right here, 42,769 in the 200 moving average. We need to touch the 200 moving average so that once we get a rejection, we will drop hard. Okay? I have opened a short position here. We haven't touched yet our short position because it's weekend, right? Not much volume. Okay? So it's okay. It's okay. Maybe I will give you a better signal as altcoins. Okay? Altcoins usually move on weekends. Okay? But I'll just give you a short position, making sure that it's going to go with the Bitcoin. Okay? Okay, this is the new supply zone. So another position here is possible. Another position here in 144 EMA. Okay? This one is 233 EMA. Another short position here. So this is the 3 short position you can open. Alright. So, for specific signal, I'll be giving it to our practical group, okay? So, make sure you join our practical group so you get our signal. For those who are in TikTok, join our YouTube channel, okay? YouTube, here. Okay, join our YouTube, Scholar Trade. Find us here. Okay, all the best, okay? So, let's check other coins so we can find a signal. Let's try the fill. Okay, fill. First fill. This is the fill. This is Flux. First fill. Fill USDT perp. Here. Okay. So this is fill right now. 4-hour time frame. Oh. Where it began here. Take profit is here, 19. So I think we can still drop hard. Okay, drop base drop. So I might give you this signal. I can give you a short position. Maybe right here. In 244. So I can give you short position here. And then maybe the stop loss or leverage, if I put it up to here, this is 30%. You cannot have a 30x, right? So maybe just above here. Above the supply zone. If I give you here, we might retest again and hit your stop loss. That's not good, right? Okay, I can give you a stop loss here. 12%, 24.8. So this would mean I can give you only up to 8x leverage. We'll see if this is already the bottom, okay? It might hold, but there is not much. As you can see, we are really breaking this trend right here, okay? We'll see. We are consolidating and we are still going to drop more, okay? Okay, I might give you fill, okay? I might give you fill. So we can have a moving DSW GMT. Hello, Random Tube. Hello. Feel free to join our raffle also. You just comment 20 USDT, okay? Hello, we are an educational platform and you can check our live stream. Previous live stream to add to your trading strategy. I'll follow all. Alright. Welcome to the family of traders. Okay. Erix. Okay, let me check your suggested coin, Erix, okay? BSW. USDT. Let's check the perp. There are futures for this one? No. Seems like no futures, huh? For Binance. Okay, I'll just have this one. Okay. So we are trying to hold this line here. This is fairly a demand zone here, mini demand zone, okay? If we hold this area, then we can continue to pump up to this area. This is the supply zone, okay? There is selling pressure here. So if you want to open long position, you can open long position here and then sell here, okay? If you want to sell, you are in the middle. If you want to open sell position, you can open sell position. Okay, let me remove this retracement. Okay. Swing high to swing low. You can open short position. The A2. You can open there. And you can open here. You can also open here. And then your stop loss will be above here. Okay, put your stop loss thick, right? Your stop loss above here, so you will not hit your stop loss easily. Liquidation, make sure your liquidation is above. So from here, if you risk, this is 19% risk. So you might have up to 3x only. If you want to short it, and then you take profit here, this area here. Okay. If not, you can short here and then wait for it to drop again. Okay, but we are more close to the bottom, so you better, if you want to open long position, your stop loss is right here. Okay, that's BSW for you. Thank you for suggesting this one. But this one is not part of our Yulian exchange, so you can suggest more coin that has we have it in Yulian also. Okay, sorry, only just join. Can you check BTC please? Oh, you can just review. You can just review our live today. Okay, I already explained the BTC and you're gonna like it. Okay, you are so welcome here. Okay. Oh, that's good. You are in mining. That's nice. That's nice. You have unlimited funds for trading. You join our Telegram community so you can start trading and making money, okay? Our Telegram is in its best form, okay? So you are in for a treat. You can see that we are making profit here, okay? Our community is learning at the same time making money, okay? It's a good thing right there. You make money and you also learn. So that's not me. That's our community who followed our signals. Okay? Cheers, cheers, cheers. So look at Edward Pedernal said, hinunod ko lang to. Okay? So he just followed our signal, BTC short. So you can really make money with our signal. Okay? Alright. Hello, Wendell Vito Garcia. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, Ramil. Nagte-trade din po kayo ng AXS USDT, sir? I only usually trade BTC. So usually when I trade, I just trade BTC. But I also trade altcoins. It's just it moves huge. The risk is also greater. I am more on risk management, okay? So we protect our trading capital. Okay, before thinking of growing your capital, think first of how you can protect your capital. If you already know how to protect your capital, then that's when you start thinking how to grow your capital. Okay? So we've been there. BTC, favorite coin. Yeah. Okay, okay. Cheers, cheers. Okay? So I also trade altcoins, especially if they are I short them. So whenever it's in the top, I short it so I make money to the downside. All right. Okay, okay. We will check. We will check. Okay, so we will check now. Let me check all the coin GMT. Okay, I'll check the GMT first, okay? And then all the suggested coin, we will check it, okay? You just extend a little, okay? But I like that you suggest because we might be able to find some good coins right here. So GMT, as you see, I have drawn you something. And this is the demand zone. Okay, maybe this is previous demand zone and I draw you some mini supply zone. So if you break this supply zone here, we can pump more. But if not, you can open short position here. Okay, you can open short position here. Seems like this one is a strong trend. It might break. It might break and turn it into a supplies demand zone again. And you can take profit up to the next. You can TP here. And you can also TP here in the next demand supply zone, okay? Alright. Make sure if you open long position, your stop loss is below this demand zone. If you open short position, make sure your stop loss is below this supply zone. So you will not easily get hit by your stop loss, okay? Okay, thank you, Rix, for suggesting this coin. AXS, okay. XRP, okay, we'll check XRP. And then Doge. Okay, XRP, then Doge. Our live is every 6 p.m., okay? Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. MWF, 6 p.m. MWF, Saturday, Sunday. Tuesday, Thursday, we do it on 8 p.m., okay? So every Tuesday and Thursday, we do it every 8 p.m. because we have Zoom class every Tuesday and Thursday. So if you want to join, every Tuesday, Thursday, we have Zoom class. So if you want to join our Zoom class, just join our Telegram community and let's make money together and learn. Okay? Just build up your 10,000 hours and I tell you, you'll start making money in the market. Okay? If you can finish your 10,000 hours in 1 year, then that's awesome. In a year, you can be a professional trader already. Use it by experience and also trading, okay? Okay. So this is XRP. It seems finding support here, okay? The demand zone seems like we have a demand zone here. We have bounce also here. But our major demand zone is too deep. Oh. If you touch the major demand zone, this is too deep right here. Okay, so that would be painful if you drop hard. Okay, so there is a free fall once you break this area right here. Okay. Okay. So this is XRP for you. Okay, let's check the last one, Doge, and then we'll go to our raffle, okay? Okay, let's delete some. It's now below the high volume node, okay? So we might, it's forming in a head and shoulder. We might drop more. Okay, head and shoulder right here. Okay, head and shoulder pattern playing out. So with this head and shoulder pattern here in 4-hour time frame, that's gonna be deep, right? Breakout area right here. Price target will be from top to bottom. Okay. Price target will be right here. Okay, that's too deep, right? But if it's just a FOMO pump, then it can really go down again. Let's try to find this. Oops, I pulled the ruler. Let's pull out the supply zone. You can see supply zone right here. So we might find rejection if we pump to that area, okay? Swing low, swing high, swing low. Okay, we touch the supply zone. We are going to touch the demand, the supply zone here, and we might drop more. Of course, we have a strong demand zone also right here, okay? It's not going to give up easily. So we just need to hold this line. And we can expect to bounce in this area until Bitcoin moves a massive move and everything follows, okay? Alright. Okay. So the last one will be Luna, okay? This will be the last one. Luna. Okay, this is still deeper. Okay, it's resting in the 233 in the EMA. We might find a drop here. You can short here. Okay, that's a good short position already. Price target right here. Where we started, we might find strong support here, okay? We might find strong support here. But if we break this area, then you can expect more to the downside, okay? Okay. Demand zone is too far. Okay, so if you open long position, you can reach up to here. Okay, that's also possible. But if the trend is downtrend, okay, if you open long, just make sure your stop loss is above here if you are shorting and below here if you are longing. Okay, this is minor supply demand zone only, okay, because the major demand zone is right here. Major demand zone is right here, and it might retest again. Okay, so if you want safer, you put your stop loss here. So that will be a lot of... this is 54%. You cannot open leverage now. There's no leverage anymore, right? Okay. Thank you for suggesting all the coins. All right. Okay. So make sure you join our Telegram community, okay? So you can maximize your experience with us and be part of our practical group, okay? So you join here and someone will message you, and as they message you, you just follow their instructions so you can join our Telegram community, okay? So, all right. Okay. Let's open raffle. So raffle generator, who's here? Feel free to join everyone, okay, for our raffle. Tomorrow will be our raffle day. Every day is a new entry. So every Sunday we can win 20, 10, and 5 USDT. Okay. El Negro. Next is John. Diana May Alid. Myla Ranido. Ramil Rodriguez. Ramil Rodriguez. Mood. Oswaldo Moreno. Oswaldo Moreno. Lara Ingrid Balestero. R.A. Ram Miranda. Ariel Natividad. Ariel. If you are still here, you can comment present, okay? Ariel. Mia Stephanie Natividad. Mary Madeleine Rogando. Jeffrey Hamptig. Jeffrey Hamptig. Magic Chess Allen. Ruby Boezon. Melody Rogando. Sam Boezon. Aki Manalang. Di Zangwin. Christian, if you want to join our raffle, feel free, okay? Amit Arevalo. Edmund Asherda. Random Tube, if you want to join our raffle, feel free, okay? Christian Pure Guy de Guzman. Oh, si Ramil suggested AVAX. I haven't checked AVAX, right? Okay, we'll check AVAX, okay, after this one. We'll add AVAX, okay? I missed that one. I did not see it, okay? When Wendell Vito Garcia. Mavic Mendoza. AVAX. We'll check AVAX, okay, after this one. Okay. Christian. Okay, good. We have Christian already. Not. Yeah, we have already. Okay. Okay. So we'll just Jed, Rian, Ikia. Hey, if you want to join our raffle, feel free to comment 20 USDT so you can join our raffle, okay? So just comment now so we can add you, okay? Okay, good. Jed, Ryan, Ikia. Okay. So we'll save. Okay, saving. We have 203 entries, okay? So this is for Sunday. Tomorrow, we have our raffle. Alright. AVAX, let me check AVAX. Okay, I'm freezing now, huh? Okay, seems like we are freezing, so we'll just pass it for now, okay? We'll check it tomorrow for the AVAX, okay? Ramil, I will try to check this tomorrow, okay? Seems like it's not loading really. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you for joining our live today and see you tomorrow 6 p.m. for our raffle, okay? All the best. Cheers. Let's make some money. Stay safe. Trade safer. Bye-bye.